Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Audi A4 faster. We'll cover key modifications that can dramatically improve your car's performance. First, consider engine tuning, which can add dozens of horsepower and foot-pounds of torque. Next, we'll look at exhaust and intake upgrades for better engine efficiency. Finally, we'll discuss suspension enhancements to ensure all that new power translates effectively to the road. Let's dive into the details. Engine tuning is often the most impactful first step for more speed. An ECU reflash or tune optimizes your car's computer, adjusting parameters like fuel delivery and ignition timing. A typical Stage 1 tune can boost horsepower by 40 to 60 and torque by 50 to 70 foot-pounds. Always choose a reputable tuner to ensure your engine remains reliable and performs optimally. Custom tunes can further maximize gains with other hardware upgrades. Improving your Audi A4's breathing is crucial for power. A cold air intake allows your engine to draw in denser, cooler air, leading to better combustion. Pair this with a performance exhaust system, which reduces restrictive back pressure, allowing gases to exit more freely. A full turbo-back exhaust can yield an additional 15 to 20 horsepower. Don't forget an upgraded intercooler to keep charge air temperatures low, especially during spirited driving. With more power, you'll want to ensure your Audi A4 can put it to the ground effectively. Upgraded suspension, like coilovers or stiffer springs, improves handling and reduces body roll. Lighter wheels decrease unsprung weight, contributing to quicker acceleration and better braking. High-performance tires are essential for superior grip and cornering. For significantly increased torque, consider a stronger clutch or transmission upgrade to prevent slippage and ensure durability.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.